12 rules for men. The last rule is the most important. 1. Never go back to a woman who cheated. 2. Never shake a hand sitting down. 3. Never go broke trying to impress others. 4. If you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die. 5. Always have the ambition to be better. 6. Find multiple ways to make money. 7. Don't beg for a relationship. 8. Work out for at least 4 times a week. 9. If you're not invited, don't ask to go. 10. Dress well, no matter the occasion. 11. Listen and most of all, make eye contact. 12. Protect who is behind you and respect who is beside you. Upgrade your mind and learn life lessons in our account.